Hi everybody, I'm back with another book unboxing video, and this time it's not knife, it's a cutter that I'm going to use, and I have recently bought it for this kind of unboxing videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first Amazon parcel, and it is, there are two books, and the books are very important for the readers, and you people are well aware of these books. By the way, I have got no bookmarks this time. Both these books cost me only 90 rupees, and these books have each book has 50 pages. 50. Okay, so it's a nice book, fantastic book. If you have read James Allen as a man thinketh, then you are well aware that both these books are, not both this book, but this book as a man thinketh is a great book if you want to change your thinking, if you want to become aware about your thoughts. It is said that your thoughts shape your life. So if you want to change your thinking, then you have to read this book. By the way, this book, As a Man Thinketh, was written about 100 years ago by James Allen, and he was a great thinker. So I have read this book, couple of times, and I know this book is amazing. Okay, so As a Man Thinketh, our first two books. Let's see how many books we are going to unbox today. So here it's a Flipkart parcel, and this parcel looks also very pretty. Okay, and the kind of cargo packaging that you can see from Flipkart is amazing, but Amazon prefers plastic package. So. Okay, bubble wrapping, by the way. And all these bubbles are already tapped. Anyway, yeah, 1, 2 are left for me. So here is, these books are very famous, renowned books, literature, and you people are well aware about these books. And yeah, no bookmark from Flipkart this time, no. First book is Mansfield Park. Yeah, the quality is amazing. Yeah, Mansfield Park by Jane Austen. This book has 384 pages, and Jane Austen is a very well-known and, what can I say, like a big name in literature, English literature. Pride and Prejudice is very famous. I have the book, I have read it. There's two books, and another book is Sense and Sensibility. I love the way the book looks because it's so pretty. Like the size is amazing. This size is bigger. Okay, you can see the difference. All right. So, but this size is so pretty. And this is for Brishti, one of my students, and this is for Parvati, and she's also one of my students, and both of them are excited to read these books. So here is the bill. Yeah, so Sense and Sensibility cost me 99 rupees, and this one I had to pay 119 rupees. So I got my hands on these books because I got in great deal. So Jane Austen, ladies and gentlemen, 4 books, 3, 4. So next package, this package I have received today, and you can see the condition of the package, and I didn't mind at all because I know that they also work and they also try to give the best service possible. Sometimes they fail, but alright, you have to. Okay, my cutter is very vulnerable, by the way. Yeah, as I was saying, you have to consider it sometimes. You need to understand somebody's problem. If the book's quality is amazing, then why not? I don't have any problem with the kind of packaging they provide. Okay. If the book quality is not good, then I can return. Okay. Makes sense? Yeah. So book quality is good. Life's Amazing Secret. Like when you hold this book now, you feel like, yeah, this is a book that you need to have in your shelf, by the way. And yeah, there is some, I don't know, but glue, I think, on the cover. But glossy, it's amazing. And the actual price is $250, but I have to pay $250. Yeah, I have to pay 104 rupees. So that's the fifth book of our today's book unboxing video, Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das. And I have read this book already, but one of my students asked me to order this book for her, and I did it. So this book is here, guys. Go and buy it. I know the kind of stories that Gaur Gopal Das tried to tell through his writing, and they're so introspective. They're amazing. Okay, moving on to next book, but before that, bookmark. Knock knock, who's there? No, it's not like that. So The Fault in Our Stars by John Green, and these are the books written by John Green. You can buy them. It's a typical advertisement of his books. So Flipkart has done a great job this time. With the damaged packaging, we have got a bookmark. That's amazing. Okay. So now let's move on to the famous book by Robin Sharma, the motivational speaker. Okay. Globally renowned author Robin Sharma, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, ladies and gentlemen. This book is amazing. I have read this book. After reading that book, I gave that book away to one of my friends, and then I bought a Kindle version of the book, which was mistakenly which was bought by one of my students. So then I started reading that book. Okay, so this book. So Robin Sharma is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and international best-selling author. Let me remove this plastic. Yeah, amazing cover. But when the book I read, I didn't have this kind of cover. It was a kind of a different cover. But yeah, it's been recently added. Anyway, so that's the book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma is a globally respected humanitarian, widely considered one of the world's top leadership and personal optimization advisors. His clients include famed billionaires, professional sports superstars, and many Fortune 100 companies. Okay, so he's Robin Sharma. Go and buy this book. And I had to pay for this book just 114 rupees, but the actual price is 225. Pretty much good deal, isn't it? So the sixth book of our today's book unboxing. So moving on to, let me decorate this book like this. Okay, looks good. I'm not good at it, but yeah, try it. Alright, so let's move on to this package, this box. Okay, let's see what's in it. Here is this book. Okay. I don't know how to take it out. I think there are two books in it. It's a combo. Okay. No bookmark this time, and bill. Okay. The Ultimate Self-Improvement Box Set push yourself to the best. There are 2 books in this box, Think and Grow Rich and The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. The size of the books I really don't appreciate because I expected bigger than this, but you can't do anything about it when you can only see the kind of images and I don't and yeah, this, okay, let me open books. Okay, so the fronts are very tiny and I doubt whether it has the actual content, but yeah, for a beginner it's a nice book you can carry in your backpack, you can carry wherever you are going, and simply you just very pretty book. Like, I would love to have these 2 copies personally. Okay, so these 2 books are amazing and I had to only pay 96 rupees. Can you imagine? For both of this book I paid 96 rupees and they're amazing. Like, if you want to read Napoleon Hill's work and also Joseph Murphy, can you imagine? Like, both these books are amazing. Just carry this carry these books in your backpacks and read them whenever you have time. Amazing books. 2 books I had to pay only 96 rupees. Okay, self-improvement books. So moving on to the last box of today's video. It is also from Flipkart. Let me unbox it and then I can show you the books. Guys, if you want to read a lot of books and if you do not want to spend a lot of money, then save some money and buy books during the sale. It will be affordable and it will help you, like it will help you save your money. Okay, there is a bookmark and also these 2 books and a bill. Let me put this box aside and let's talk about the books and let me show you. Wow, like I have a copy. By the way, these books are not mine actually. These books belong to those who ordered me to order the books. Okay, so by the way, this book is for Parvati. Parvati asked me to order this book, Man's Search for Meaning. Fantastic book for those who sometimes lose hope in life and forget counting the blessings, because Viktor Franklin was that captive who suffered a lot but came out with a positive mindset from the concentration camp. This book is all about that. I will try to put out the complete review of this book because it's a very fantastic book, by the way. Man's Search for Meaning. Generally it costs you a lot, like the actual price is written here $2.99, but it cost me, it will blow your mind, 116 rupees. Only 116. Man's Search for Meaning. Okay, it's a fantastic book and no doubt, like original copy. Okay, you can feel it. So now let's move on to our last book, and this book is also a very famous book on Flipkart, written by Vikrant Khanna. Okay, a national bestseller, The Girl Who Knew Too Much. Over 50,000 copies sold. What if the loved one you lost were to come back? Wow. Okay, so The Girl Who Knew Too Much by Vikrant Khanna. The original price is $199. The actual price is $199. I had to pay 96 rupees. Okay, so it was also a great deal. And by the way, guys, these books are amazing. If you like, it's not like I got great deal and for that reason I just bought those books. It's not like that. These books are really useful books, and for that reason I ordered this book, and when I saw that they were coming at discounts, then why not? Okay, so guys, these are the books: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here 10 books that I have unboxed in this video. And there are two there are two more books, and they are written in Bengali, by the way. My students went to a local library where the Bengali books are sold, and they got hands on these books, and it probably it cost what, like, I don't know, but yeah, both these books are amazing. And that's it. I just want to show you. I don't know whether you can get this copy or not. So that's it for now, and I will see you soon. Take care and bye.